Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea and today I am sharing a draw with me video where I'm showing you how I draw ice cream cones and popsicles. These are all doodles I included in my July bullet journal, which you will have seen in my plan with me video and also my weekly spreads video. This was a really fun theme to do for summer because there are so many fun treats to draw. For all the drawings today, I'm using my Uniball Vision Needle pen, which will be linked below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this Draw With Me video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Check out the description box for links to any products I used today, and I'll see you next time.